So I told him that I've been arrested. There seems to be a problem. There may be a warrant. And
that squirrel is still trying to figure out how to get those seeds again after I had to move the bird feeder about 4 times. Where did it go?
I've spoken to the lawyer. The lawyer is saying that they're going to check, make sure
there he
this
is.
is not an actual warrant and everything. If I don't
Look
have
at
a
him
warrant,
trying to
then I
get
should
it.
be fine. If there's any problem, I may need bail. I told him I have jewelry in the house. If the lawyer tells me that I need bail, and if the lawyer tells me how much, and so on and so
Boy,
forth,
he's working
I will
hard,
let you know that
trying to get the trying to get the seeds. He can't get the seeds.
The lawyer called you and let you know. And
to what? To collect the jewelry, take it to a pawn shop and get their money.
And take it to a pawn shop and pawn it. And I told him of a local pawn shop in my area, okay, that he would be able to.
Oh my God, he's gonna make it. Oh my God.
Be on standby. And I told him, okay, so I don't have to run
This
around.
is just, I just can't believe this squirrel.
What do you mean? That's running around.
You know, I didn't really want to start going to bail bondsmen, start running around because I had the kids too and I had a lot of other things.
And then after all this work, I'm gonna have to go out there and get him off the bird feeder. I'm gonna put some stuff out there for that squirrel because I happen to like squirrels, but that is not for you. Thank you very much. Wow. Amazing. I'd like to see you do that again because, let's see. There he, and bingo. This, oh my goodness. Now I wish I could get video of how he panics